Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Chicken potato salad. Yep, you heard me. Chicken potato salad is on the menu today. Before I jump into the ingredients, I'm going to prep the food that we need to make this with, and that's chicken breasts. So I'm going to cube these chicken breasts. Watch, because I'm going really quickly. I'm going to cube these chicken breasts. Then right after that, I am going to cube these red potatoes. All right? So for the amount I'm making, I need like 1 chicken breast and about 5 or 6 red potatoes. But of course, if you're cooking for more people, then you're going to double, triple, even quadruple that recipe. All right? We'll take a look at this. And when this is done, we're going to move right on to boiling these. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to get your potatoes and you want to get your chicken into some pots, cover it with water, and boil it. Put a little salt in each one of them, and I do mean like a pinch of salt just to take the freshness away. Okay? Alright. Hit that thumbs up for me if you haven't done it yet. Hit that thumb up. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take everything and put it in a bowl. The chicken, the apples, the potatoes. We're going to put some mayo in there, about a ½ cup we're going to start off with. So what we're going to do, we're going to get that stirred up really well, that mayo. Alright, and so after we do that, we're going to put about a ¼ cup of Miracle Whip in there. I like mine a little sweet. If you like yours savory, then stick with the mayo. I like my potato salad a little bit on the sweet side, so not like sugary sweet, but just a little sweetness to mine. All right, so we're gonna add about a ¼ cup of Miracle Whip, then we're gonna add about a ¼ cup of Relish. Okay, so this is a rather small bowl I'm making, so if you make it for a crowd, then obviously you want to increase this by the amount that you need to do that. So all right, so we're gonna put a little mustard in eventually. So you'll see what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some eggs in it. Really super easy recipe, but super delicious. I love it. The chicken in there just takes that potato salad to another dimension. I love it. I actually love it. You guys, you got to try this. I'm so serious. You got to try it. If you want to finely chop your eggs up, you can do so. So I kind of like mine in like a large dice. You see what I'm saying? I don't want mine too fine. But if you want to take a fork and you want to make yours really fine, you can do that. Because sometimes I'll do that. But this time I wanted like sort of like I said, sort of a chunky texture. So I'm going to do the eggs the same way I did the potatoes and stuff. I kind of want to match the size of that chicken. Alright, so I'm going to get that stirred up, get those eggs in there. So 3 to 4 eggs. If you like less eggs in your potato salad, then obviously leave a couple out. Alright, obviously leave a couple out. Alright, so I'm going to stir that up so you can see. I have mustard there, I have celery seeds, and I have paprika. So that's what you'll see me put in there. Now, if you taste it, because you're going to taste it at this point, you taste it and you want to adjust your seasonings and put something else in there, you want to put a little bit, a slight amount of sugar in there, do that. That is perfectly okay. Alright, so that'll work out. If you want to put more relish, but if you put more relish in there, I'm going to tell you something. You need to strain it. So you need to have one of those little strainers, strain the juice off it and put it in there, and it'll work just fine. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for us. Check out what it looks like. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.